From rising grocery prices to higher gas prices, inflation always squeezes our wallets and makes our day-to-day life more expensive. But here's something that not everyone realizes. Inflation doesn't just affect the cost of living, but also has an impact on your credit score and your buying power. When inflation is high, you're likely to spend more to maintain your standard of living. Let's say you're paying more for groceries, fuel, or even rent. If your income doesn't increase in line with your inflation, you may find yourself relying more on credit cards to bridge the gap. As your credit card balances increase, so does your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you are using compared to your credit limit. This is a critical factor in determining your credit score. Credit utilization must stay below 30%. But in times of inflation, people do see this ratio increase. And as this number climbs, your credit score may start to drop. Understanding inflation and its effect on your budget. As inflation rises, central banks like the Reserve Bank of India often increases the interest rates. For example, let's assume you have a credit card balance of Rs 50,000. Before inflation, your annual interest rate might have been 12%. But now with inflation and rising interest rates, your card issuer could increase that to 15% or more. That increase means your monthly payments just got more expensive. And if you're only paying the minimum, it's going to take you even longer to get out of the debt. Inflation's impact on loan affordability. If you're applying for a home loan or a personal loan during a period of inflation, then the lenders may look more closely at your financial situation. If inflation has already led to higher credit card balances or increased debt, you might find that lenders are more hesitant to approve you for new loans, or they might offer loans with less favorable terms. How inflation affects your buying power. Simply put, inflation reduces how much you can buy with the same amount of money. If you are earning Rs 1 lakh per month, but inflation is at 8%, your salary doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Inflation not only impacts your daily expenses but also your future purchasing decisions. For example, if you have been planning to buy a car or a home, inflation can change the entire equation. Higher prices mean you will need a larger loan, but with interest rates going up, that loan will cost more. And you may end up paying significantly more over the life of the loan. When inflation is high, your focus shifts from discretionary spending to essential spending. But if your credit card balances rise, you may find your buying power shrinking even further. In the long run, it can lead to a cycle of debt that is difficult to escape from. This is true especially if your income does not keep pace with inflation. Here are a few steps that you can take to mitigate the impact of inflation on your credit score. Pay down credit card balances. As credit utilization rises during inflation, try to pay down your balances as much as possible. Avoid new debt. Higher interest rates mean borrowing is more expensive, and it's better to avoid additional debt until inflation stabilizes. Review your budget. Take time to review your budget and identify areas where you can cut back. This will free up cash flow and help prevent over-reliance on credit cards for day-to-day expenses. Build an emergency fund. By building or maintaining an emergency fund, you can reduce your need to rely on credit cards for unexpected expenses. Negotiate with lenders. Many lenders offer temporary relief options or restructuring plans to help you manage your debt during tough times. Finally, always keep an eye on your credit reports, especially during inflation. Monitoring your credit score will help you understand how your financial habits are affecting your credit profile. So remember to manage your credit carefully during inflationary periods. This way, you will be better equipped to manage the challenges and maintain financial stability. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.